Hi, 你们好 Welcome to this new Chinese lesson with Ivy. Today I will go all over the Chinese pinyin. I made this Chinese pinyin chart. Then you can follow. Okay, I like a conclusion. Even when I'm studying, I always like to make a conclusion for one chart by one chart. Okay, let's start. First is 23, 声母。23声母，波波坡坡，么么呢呢的的特特个个可可发发了了七七鸡鸡呵呵西西一一乌乌日日滋滋呲呲丝丝吱吱迟迟诗诗 Okay, then go to this 24 vowels 韵母 24 韵母 and 6 single 韵母单韵母啊啊哦哦一一乌乌吁吁 Okay, this is the 6 single 韵母 and then go to this 9 plural 韵母I A we yeah ow o you约and then go for this 9 鼻音 There are 5 前鼻音安音温晕 and 4 后鼻音安音 on and then is this 16 整体认读音节 which are 知迟诗日滋呲丝丝一乌吁耶约渊音晕英 Okay, then I taught you all the Chinese pinyin. And then there's a student asked me, what's the difference between Chinese sounds and English sounds? I want to tell you it's different because the way and this oral cavity position to pronounce is totally different. For Chinese, we use the front oral cavity to pronounce. We put strings in the front oral cavity. And for English, they use the back oral cavity. It's like there more airflow comes through from the bottom of their tummy, And for Chinese, we most use the front oral cavity to pronounce. The sounds come out will be sounds more harder and more clear, more ringing. It's like some metal sounds. I shouldn't say like this. Chinese is not like a metal sounds. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, very, very beautiful to listen. Okay, and if we use this back oral cavity to pronounce, and because the air is came a long way through the bottom of the tummy, the belly, so it will be sounds like a more softer, like more fluent, more softer. The airflow comes from your chest. So, for example, I will show you. So if I want to imitate this British or American when they speak English, first I need prepare, get my time intense. Okay, I will read one small passage for you. This is for PADI open water diving, because I have this course at this weekend. Okay, like British. The PADI Advanced Open Water Diver program consists of the PADI Advanced Open Water Diver and PADI Adventure Diver certifications. Both courses introduce you to more specialized activities guided by your PADI instructor. You earn Advanced Open Water Diver certification by successfully completing the underwater navigation, deep, and 3 other adventure dives you choose with your instructor. The PADI Adventure Diver course is a sub-course that consists of any 3 adventure dives. Okay, so this is a British accent. If I imitate this American accent, it will be like their mouth shape is more exaggerate. But same, you need to use your put a strength to your back oral cavity. Also use your tummy strength, belly strength. The PADI Advanced Open Water Diver program consists of the PADI Advanced Open Water Diver and the PADI Adventure Diver certifications. Both courses introduce you to more specialized activities guided by your PADI instructor. You earn Advanced Open Water Diver certification by successfully completing the underwater navigation, deep, and 3 other adventure dives you choose with your instructor. The PADI Adventure Diver course is a sub-course that consists of any 3 adventure dives. So this is the American accent. But if use my Chinese accent, why I still use my Chinese accent? Because I'm a Chinese, I get used to speak Chinese. And here I'm in Dubai. It's an accent from all over the world. They are from Filipino, from Indian. So if with my Chinese accent, it will be like this. The PADI Advanced Open Water Diver program consists of the PADI Advanced Open Water Diver and the PADI Adventure Diver certification. Both courses introduce you to more specialized activities guided by your PADI instructor. You earn Advanced Open Water Diver certification by successfully completing the underwater navigation, deep, and 3 other adventure dives you choose with your instructor. The PADI Adventure Diver course is a sub-course that consists of any 3 adventure dives. You hear the difference? So let's just if you are not a Chinese native speaker, so let's think in a different way. Since I can imitate this British accent and American accent, so you can imitate the Chinese accent. It's a Chinese pronounced way also. Just try to put a strength, put a forth, and just bring your strength forward to your front oral cavity. Okay. For example, I think I heard many foreigners they speak Chinese. Maybe they will use it like they get used to be that way. Like, for example, this is mine. In Chinese is 这个是我的，这个是我的。If they say will be like this. 这个是我的，这个是我的。Okay, it will be like this. But even like this is good enough. At least this 声调 is correct. I can understand. Okay, I hope you like this lesson. And next lesson we will go for this grammar, and I will teach you more and more Chinese sentences. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye. 再见，爱你们，么么哒。